everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Puppets Only Challenge in Five Nights Tower Defense. So let's just get straight into the video because I have all my puppets right here. Don't argue with me. Endo might not be a puppet, but it is a booster. So we're gonna see how far they can get in endless mode. Alright guys, I tried literally all the other games and it has not led me to victory. So I'm just gonna have to wait and put down my artillery puppet right here. Okay, just making sure auto skip is on. I've tried every single game and none of them I have won or got even past like the first couple waves. I'm gonna put my artillery puppet here, or I can last a couple hits. Oh my god, finally, I'm actually doing damage. Yes, this feels good. Oh, I did not know they did 20 each. I thought they did 10. Oh well. I gotta hope nothing comes back here. So I'm just gonna put another artillery puppet. When I can afford it. There we go. Our goal for this is to try and get to wave 100. I doubt that's gonna happen. But if we put down our night marionettes, night marions, not night marionettes, I bet we can do it. Especially if we put them like right here. Right here. Yeah, and then put the range booster next to it. I'm gonna put a range booster here. Just to try and get this guy's range all around. Maestro puppet. Salvaged balloon boy. More like destroyed balloon boy, am I right? Alright, well, let's upgrade that. Now we have withered foxies. Gonna put myself an endo right here to start doing some good damage. Nice, we got one soul. These guys do 400 damage each. Still can one-shot the enemies. I'm afraid that this guy won't be able to. Oh, he cannot. That is bad, but now he can. Artillery puppet. Just need to save up like a couple thousand. $300? That's nothing. Let me upgrade you. Now doing 530. I'm gonna put another mainster puppet here. Upgrade it. Then it has more range. Gonna upgrade it again. Dang, that gets it a lot of range. Lotomazized Bonnie. Lotom Izized Bonnie. Good enough. These guys are really easy, except that the the artillery puppets just suck. Now stuff is actually starting to come out of these. I'm gonna upgrade this. Upgrade that to max. This guy can only hit one at a time because they're so fast. There we go. I'm just getting this guy to max. I got to save up 20,000. I'm gonna upgrade that so it does a lot more stuff. This guy does 500. Yeah, 600. Now we should do 7. Yep. Gonna wait to upgrade this guy again. A shiny Endu. I should do like, yep, 750 about. And then I think he should do about like 800. If I'm right. 775, close enough. Alright. So 775. So that's about 350 DPS. Or splash. It's not terrible, but it's pretty bad. Oh, now I can put more of them over here. Dreadful Chica. I just maxed out these two. I'm gonna max out this Endo over here too. Alright, when the big bosses start coming out, I'm gonna be ready. I think I'm gonna put it right there. That's like literally perfect. Dang, I don't know if it's a he or she, so I'm just gonna say it. Because it is a puppet. Maybe I'll put this it right here. Oh look, there's puppet. Oh, it died. Oh look, there's more it's. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Alright, we got another one of them. Now I bet you we can get to wave 100. It's just gonna take a little bit of work. Like, it's not even hard, it's just gonna take time. And then I will put one of these guys right here to do some extra damage to like the bosses. Zine Ranger, but no. This booster is like tiny, even though it still has range 3. I still need to put my regular puppet down. Dang, 1,000 damage, that's a lot. I never realized how much that was. And that's like full AoE. I'm gonna put another one. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put like a puppet. How many can I put down? 2. So I'll put one over here. I don't know, like here. Maybe try and put it like more at the middle. Like right there. 11,000 damage? I'm putting that on strongest. Oh wait, no, that's just 1,000. I'm stupid. Hate on me all you want in the comments. That's still 11,000 damage. 15,000 the upgrade? It's not even that good. Corrupt Soul Freddy. Here we go. I'm just gonna upgrade my marionettes puppeteers. They are supposed to be like crowd control, but right now they're just the boss killer. They've both got one more upgrade. Dang, 100,000 damage. How much do these have? 50,000, 17,000. Artillery puppet has 56,000. 161,000. 46, about 46k each. Alright, there. One of them is maxed out. Fine, I have something other than artillery puppets maxed out. Man, I just like hate this map because it's like so big and the enemies can come out multiple spots. Like it's kind of annoying. I'm definitely gonna upgrade this next. Dang, 40,000 already? Let's upgrade that. About 9,300 next level, which is 40k. The artillery puppet is doing work. Enraged marionette. Nice. I actually kind of want to see this layout. Marionettes versus marionettes. Hey, they were destroying it. Alright, well, I'm just gonna let the time pass. So, I might upgrade some stuff in the meantime, but I'm just gonna wait until we get to wave 100. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's wave 99. So let's see like what's going on and a bunch of other stuff. I just saw Zombie Shadow Freddy. a Psycho Mangle. This is the Wave 100 boss. So I'm gonna sell that stuff over here and bring it over here. Dang, this is getting melted. Alright. I bet I could get a lot farther with this. What happened with this? There's just like a bunch of stuff stuck there. Oh no. If I put this down and then sell it? Okay. I think it needs to actually like do stuff first. Terra March Chica. Oh, bye-bye. I'm gonna let them go. Or am I? Reborn Withered Freddy. Bye-bye. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!